the other way. Get on the inside. There you go. All right, everybody, we did it. We got them all up. They are all done. All 10 of them. They're all there. From there to there. That was quite a job. Took us 2 days. But couldn't have done it without the old trusty bucket truck. No way could we have done it without that. And couldn't have done it without the big help from Matthew. He's a big, huge help. Huge help. So, props to Matthew for doing that. He learned some good lessons doing this. And some lessons that he'll never forget. And it's things like that, that growing up, lessons that you learn that you just don't think of very much of when you're learning them. But then down the road, you look back and think, wow, am I glad I learned how to do that. And that's what I hope it's going to be for him. But for now, we are all done with this stage of the project. So as you can see, this is more what the equipment shed is going to really look like. So we got our nice overhang over here. This is where we're going to store all kinds of tractor stuff. And then we're going to store other stuff in here. And then we got a nice 4-foot overhang here that's going to be really nice. So there's a lot more to do. So stay tuned, everybody, and you'll see the next stages of this. We got a lot of sawing to do now and get some lumber ready. We got to put the purlins all the way along there, get the steel roofing on that. So there's a lot of work to be done next. So stay tuned, and if you guys want to see more of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Tell everybody else about it and pass it along, and yeah, stop by next time. See you guys.